Hello friends, today I am going to do uh, how to use Linux command. This is the first tutorial for that. So today I am going to show how to use some helping commands to find out what are the meaning of these commands names. For that please subscribe my YouTube channel, then you can watch that other tutorials also. Then I am going to use pwd, that's mean print working directory. If you don't know this uh, command name, then we can use what is pwd. Then pwd nothing appropriate, it is not showing any information. Then I'm going to use man command. So for that I'm going to use pwd man. You can see that's mean print name of the current working directory. Then we can get the information about this command using this helping command. Then it says press Q to quit. Then that's how we use man command. It is not showing any what is command for that that helping command. So now I'm going to use another one, pwd dash help. Then we can find out print name of the current working directory. These are the helping commands. This one, the man command, and what is command. So now I'm going to use another command called who am I. Then we can find out which you are a root or another user. It says root. So if you don't know this about this command, then we can see if it is work for this one. What is who am I? Nothing appropriate for. So now I'm going to use a man command. It says who am print effective user ID. So this is how to find out any command meaning, any details about this one. So this is how to use some helping commands to find out the meaning of other commands. So guys, in next video I'll show you how to use a cd command to do work in Linux. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for to watch that other videos. So please comment and share. So guys, thank you very much. Hello friends, today I'm going to do my second tutorial in Linux command tutorial. So guys, I'm going to show how to use ls command. We use ls command to list computer files, list files inside this Linux environment. So Linux OS. So let's see how to do it. So this is the ls command. I'm going to list files inside the root. These are the files inside our root. So guys, you can use this ls command to list files inside the directory. I'm going to use this download directory folder. So for that I'm going to type ls space, then download. You don't need to type whole word. Press tab, then it is autofill. Press enter. You can see it's we can see what are the inside files and directories. Now I'm going to show how to get as a list these files. ls space dash l, then we can get this information as a directory. You can see that created time, date, year, a month, every details as a list. Now I'm going to get hidden files. before that I'm going to go to that downloads directory. For that we use cd command. I'll explain that cd command in my next tutorial. So for that please subscribe my YouTube channel. Downloads, now we are in downloads directory. Press ls, you can see inside that directory these are the information. You saw that in this command in here. So okay, guys, now I'm going to show how to get hidden files. For that dash we need to use a, then we can get hidden files. These two dots are some hidden files inside this directory. We don't know what are those hidden files, but in here we didn't see that files. If you create any hidden files using some names, then you can see it inside that directory. You can get these details as a list using al, then we can get as a list. These are the created date and the month, these are created years. You can see these details. So next I am going to show we can list these all the files in current and subdirectories. Let's see how to do it. Dash I'm going to list these. For that we need to use L, then R. You can see we can get those details as a files in current and subdirectories. So next command we use we can get these files in size. We need if we need to get file sizes, then we need to type ls dash ls as a list, is mean that size, then we can get the file sizes. You can see sorry, in here these are the file sizes, and in here also we can get that information. In this line we can get file sizes. I'll show you. Wait, this file cmu bomb. In here also showing that file size. You can see 26 bytes. That's it is showing bytes, not kilobyte. It is showing that details in within bytes. You can see. So if you need to get this information like size in reverse, for that I'm going to use dash lsr, then we can get this information as in reverse format. You can see in here we got details in last line, in here we got it in the first line. These are the file sizes. You can see file sizes. So these file sizes showing in bytes. You can see. So next I'm going to list these files in time. You can see according to time we got that file names according to the time, and this is how it's use this command to get according to that time we got that file names. Now I'm going to show how to use get more information, list files and directories according to that time, and for that we need to use this command. We can I got it in a reverse format. You can see we can use R command to that get in answer in a reverse format. So next I'm going to show guys inside the file we can get inside that file we can get word count. For that I'm going to use this answer.txt wc dash l then answer.txt is only include one line, one word line. Let's see, it's include answer.txt. You can see only one word line. If I put space and 1 2 3 then save it. Okay, now I'm going to check that one wc dash l answer.txt. okay, 3 lines because it's include this is the first line, this is the second one, this is space, and this is the third one. So this is how to get word count and word list count inside the file. So guys, this is how to use ls command to get some information inside our Linux environment. So this is the end of the tutorial. I'll show you how to use cd command in next tutorial. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, please comment and share. So guys, thank you very much. So guys, I'm going to show how to do CMU bomb walkthrough that phase 1. Let's see how to do it. So you need to set up in Linux that CMU bomb file. So I have downloaded into my download folder, downloads. This is that CMU bomb file. So we need to give permission to that this CMU bomb file. I'm going to give this execution permission. I'm going to give all permission. chmod that file name. Okay, press ls. You can see that change that color into light yellow. So now you need to check that you have that gdb environment. Let's see, I have already have that gdb environment, that debugging environment. If you don't have, you need to install it into your Linux environment. So sudo apt get install gdb. That's how to install gdb debugging environment to your Linux. So I'm not going to install it. So now I'm going to use a filter to filter inside this CMU bomb file. I'm going to use a strings filter to check this CMU bomb. What are the string include this CMU bomb? These are the strings include that inside that CMU bomb file. So you need to check top to bottom. So this is the top. So you need to check one by one. So you can see these lines. Welcome to my friendish little bomb. You have 6 faces like that. So you can see this line is different. Matching compare these lines. So you need to copy this line with that full stop. Copy. You need to create a nano file. Create a nano. I'm going to give name cmu bomb dot. You need to give file extension txt. Press enter and copy paste it in here with that full stop, and press Ctrl S and press Ctrl X to exit. Okay, now I'm going to use that debugging environment gdb to that CMU bomb file. Press enter. Okay, now we are in that prompt, the gdb environment, debug inside that debugging. So now I'm going to use that create a txt file to get details. So we need to use a command called r, that's mean run that file, run that created file dot txt, press enter. You can see that starting program that welcome to my friendish little bomb, you have 6 phases with which to blow yourself up. Have a nice day. Phase 1 diffuse, how about the next one? So this is how to complete that phase 1. So guys, in next video I'll show you how to complete a phase 2. So thank you guys. Hello guys, today I'm going to do my second tutorial in CMU bomb. So I'm going to complete that phase 2. So before watch this video, you must watch that previous video, because we need that details to complete this phase 2. So guys, I'm going to start this tutorial. So we need to get I'm going to go to that directory, downloads, ls. So this is our CMU bomb, that application 1. So now I'm going to go to that object. We need to get object dumps in object information in this CMU bomb. So these are the commands that we can use: disassembler, all headers. These are the commands that we can use. So I'm going to give that command called disassembly only, not all. This is a simple D. I'm going to give a object dump CMU bomb. We need to give that command D. Now we can run. Okay, we need to find that phase 2 information. We need to find phase 2. This is a phase 1. Okay, this is the phase 2. So guys, we need to find meaningful information. The first thing to notice here is that phase 2 is a calling function by the name of read 6 numbers. Can you see this one? So now I'm going to give a breakpoint for this phase 2 B and phase 2. Before that, we need to use the GDB environment, debugging environment. So GDB, if you don't have, you need to install it. Sudo apt get install GDB. I'm going to give CMU bomb, press enter. Now I'm going to give that breakpoint for that phase 2. Okay, now I'm going to run that the first video that we created, CMU bomb text file. I'm going to create that text file .txt. Okay, how about the next one? So I'm going to give a password, the 6 password. I hope you can remember that. Read the 6 numbers. I'm going to give 1 2 3 4 5 6. Press enter. Is that you can see the breakpoint is a 1. That's our first password, the 1. So I'm going to give that disas to get the disassembler information. Disas. Okay guys, now the second thing is the thing is to notice that function is looping over its input. So after that EAX, some EAX values, so is compared to ESI and EBX, ESIN, EBX. So guys, then at that plus 54 in here, there is a comparison. You can use EX is that compared to the ESI and EBX 4. So that EBX gets incremented, and as long as it's less than 5, so the function jumps back to above the comparison, so that it can do it again. So guys, this means that our input integers will probably be a pattern of some sort, where in here, not in here, in here, can you see, is where the math that increments the patterns happens. So guys, now I'm going to give that EAX that copy memory, and that is the EAX. So I'm going to give that breakpoint for that 54. For this, I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to give until star that address, press enter. Okay, now I'm going to run that instance again. Can you see that given breakpoint? So I'm going to run this information IR. This is that EAX. This is our second password. So guys, the simplest way to solve this level completely is by continue to step through the code. So seeing what EAX is equal to after each iteration. So guys, the password is, so I have that password I have, so you need to continue this. So I'm going to give I'm going to exit this one. I'm going to create a nano file. I'm going to give answer.txt. so this is the password that I found, 126. After complete, you can find this password 24. Then after find that password, you need to save it in a text file, and so I'm going to press Ctrl X and I'm going to exit. So now guys, I'm going to give the password. So type gdb cmu bomb and run, and give that breakpoint for the phase 2. Then run that our cmu bomb.txt file. So now you can give that password 126 24 120 and 720. So that didn't get because we put a breakpoint. So I'm going to run that answer. I'm going to run the answer dot answer. Yes, that's how we complete the phase 2. Can you see that welcome to my fiendish little bomb. You have 6 phases with the which to blow yourself. Have a nice day. Boom, the bomb has blown up. So we have completed that phase 2. So that's how complete phase 2. So guys, thank you guys, and please subscribe my channel, and please comment and share. So thank you guys. Hello guys, so today I'm going to do another reverse engineering tutorial using Kali Linux. So let's start this tutorial. I have a file. We need to find the password. still we don't know the password. So I'm going to run this file. So first need to go to that directory ipls. This is the file. I'm going to run this file. So have fun. Can you see this permission denied? We need to give permission chmod chmod 7 have fun. Can you see that it's changed that color? Now we have permission. I'm going to run that file have fun. So enter the password. I'm going to give 123. Checking password, login failed. So we need to find that password. So I'm going to find that password using this Kali Linux. We need the GDB debugging environment. So if you don't have that, you need to install it. Type sudo gdb and apt. I hope you know this apt dash get install gdb, then you can install it. So I have already installed that gdb tool. So I'm going to give that have fun. Now we are inside that debugging environment. So I'm going to give a break for the main break main. Okay, now I'm going to run this program again. Run. Okay, now I'm going to give a deassembler to find information. So you can see some moves and some calling functions and some comparisons. In here can you see that call function in here and in this comparison. So guys, I'm going to give a breakpoint for these two, comparison and this calling function. These are the memory addresses. So I'm going to copy this memory address and I'm going to give a breakpoint b star and press Ctrl Shift V, then you can paste it and press enter. Now I'm going to give another breakpoint for that comparison one. For this one, copy V. So I'm going to give breakpoint for that one also. So now guys, I'm going to continue this one. So it's asking another again that enter the password. I'm going to enter password 123. So this breakpoint is work. So now I'm going to call again disaster. So this is the breakpoint that we put. I'm going to check these two memory. So guys, I'm going to check these two memories. So x and going to check this one first. This RDI. Can you see that given password 123? This one. So I'm going to check that this one RSI. I'm going to check on that one also. $sign and RSI. So we got some details. This can be our password. So I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to copy this one. Copy. So we need to continue it. It's checking because we put some breakpoints. So we need to continue again. Continue fail. Some no, we need to run. Yes, start the program, but we need to continue it again. Okay, now we can put the password. Let's check. Yes, we need to again continue because we put breakpoints. press C again. Yes, can you see continuing that successfully logged in? So good job. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to run that have fun program. I'm going to give the password. Yes, we successfully logged in. This is how to find that password using this Kali Linux and GGB environment. So thank you guys watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and please comment and share. So thank you guys.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.